In this video, we are going to be looking at fractions less than, greater than, or equal to 1. So I know that fractions can be parts of a whole. So if I look at the first fraction, 5 ones, I know that fractions are also related to division. So 5 divided by 1, I have 5. 5 yellow bars. 5 divided by 1. How many parts do I have? My denominator says the number of parts. I've divided them into parts of 1. So 5 ones, which is 5. My next fraction is 1/5. I know that I have divided my bar into 5 equal parts, and one of those parts is blue. 1/5 of my bar is blue. If I look at my green bars here, I know that I've divided my 2 bars into fifths, or 5 equal parts. And I know 6/5 is greater than 1 because I have 1 and then 1/5 left over. So I have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, and then 6/5. If I divide my bars into 5 equal parts, I know that I have 1 and 1/5. So 6/5 is actually greater than 1 because I have 1 bar of fifths and then 1 more 1/5. Lastly, if we have a look at our bar there and it's been divided into 10 equal parts, 10 out of 10 or 10 equal parts, and I have 10 of them, or tenths, I know that I have 1 whole bar. So let's review again. My yellow fraction, let's go to the left-hand side. 5 ones is 5. 1/5 is 1 out of 5 parts. 6/5 are 6 out of 5 equal parts. And 10 tenths are 10 equal sized parts out of 10, which is equal to 1 whole bar. Hopefully the visuals help you to understand and relate fractions to how they look, their conceptual understanding or the visual of how fractions look. Let's do another example. Let's look at quarters. So we have quarters here. We have 2 quarters, 6 quarters, 4 quarters, and 8 quarters. 2 quarters, so if I look at my denominator again, it says 4, so I've divided my square into 4 equal parts, and I have 2 of them, 2 quarters. Once again, let's look at the denominator, 4 equal parts. I have 4 equal parts, I've divided my square into 4 equal parts, and I have 6 of them, I have 6 quarters, so that's greater than 1. 6 quarters, or 6 out of 4, is greater than 1 because I have 1.5. And then we have 4 out of 4, or 4 quarters. 4 quarters is equal to 1 whole. And then I have 8 quarters. I've divided my 2 squares into 4 equal parts each, and I have 8 quarters. Hopefully this video helps you to identify fractions that are less than 1, equal to 1, or greater than 1. I can see that 2 quarters, or 2/4, is less than 1. I can see that 6 quarters is greater than 1. I can see that 4 out of 4, or 4 quarters, is equal to 1 whole. And I can see 8 out of 4, or 8 quarters, is equal to 2. So go back through this video nice and slowly. And if you have a parent or a guardian, get them to go through this information with you.